26. This is how we eat, bayabas. In the Philippines.
28 right now.
Like this, adding.
Okay, it's like eating an apple.
Oh. You want? You want me to slice it? You don't want biting like this? It's good.
It's like oranges.
Ayaw niya ng kagat. I'll slice it for you.
It's okay.
Here. Have you tried this with tahin? Hmm? Ading. Have you tried this with tahin? No? I don't like the seeds. Let's remove the seeds. Sobrang init. Hindi namin siya pinayagang lumabas. Kaya dito lang siya. Init. Ha? Try? You want it this with skin? The nectarine? You want it with skin? Or peel? Huh? Habang magaganda pa ang quality ng mga prutas, samantalahin natin. Ngayong summer, pagdating ng winter, konti na lang yung